What's up everyone, this is Yevhen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot Frigidaire appliances. Today's video is about repairing and servicing a Frigidaire FEQ332CESO dryer in the Charleswood area of Winnipeg. I show you a simple solution to one of the most common problems with Frigidaire dryer. Loud noise when the drum is rotating. Don't worry, it won't take more than 5 minutes. Let's go! I start with a visual inspection of the dryer, everything looks good. Next I select the dry mode on the dial and start the dryer. Immediately an unusual and loud noise is heard. I open the dryer drawer and start it with the door open. There are no forage objects in the drum, so I will have to disassemble the dryer to identify the source of the noise. I remove the top cover and the front panel. I note the need to clean the dryer from lint. I disconnect the belt from the motor and remove the dryer drum. Gotcha. The plastic bushing on the body shows signs of severe wear. After checking the other components, I know that it's necessary to replace the bearing kit for the Frigidaire dryer. We've included both the plastic part on the body and the metal part on the dryer drum. I proceed to step-by-step repair. The first stage is cleaning the dryer from lint. Then dismantling the faulty parts and installing new ones in their place. Having installed a new plastic bushing, I fill it with a special lubricant that promotes long-term rotation of the metal part that is attached to the drum, without damaging both rubbing parts. The faulty parts were removed and new ones were installed. I begin to assemble the dryer. I attach the drum, screw on the front panel and snap the top cover. I'll definitely check the vent line. The dryer is assembled and ready for the final test of all functions and modes after repair. Success! There are no extraneous noises. The Frigidaire dryer has been tested in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Frigidaire dryer or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.